Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's gonna be a really fun video. Not only are we unboxing a new Gucci bag, ooh, it's a Gucci, um, but it's been a bag that I've been kind of waiting for Gucci to come out with in a very, very long time. So, we all know about the Gucci movement with millennials. You know, Gucci is like the brand to have right now. So, their handbags, they have a really, 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 really big selection of handbags, but for some reason, I've just never really gravitated to their handbags. They're very, very expensive and very very. I don't know. I just haven't gotten one yet. So it came out with the bum bags. I think it was like last year, like the belt bags, and I was like all over that because I love belt bags. I love how different they are from like just a normal handbag. It's it's fun, you know? It's like an update on the fanny pack, you know? Like, I think we all remember as kids, or I was a kid back in like the 90s, like fanny packs. I love them. I really liked them since then, but it was just like a fanny pack. It was like utility wise, it was to carry things and have your hands free and not have things like on your shoulders. Like, it wasn't really like a fashion statement from what I saw, but I mean, probably for the older people, like the adults and the teens that wore them at that time, it was. But for me, it just didn't have the explosion that it has right now. Like today, the fashion world just totally twisted it around and made it their own. So, like I said, I have been waiting for Gucci to come out with a metallic, because you know I'm all about the metallic bum bag. Sorry about that, my boyfriend called. But yeah, like I said, just make the story short or shorter, because I'm sure I'm already like couple minutes in this video and you haven't even seen the bag. But yeah, like I have been waiting for Gucci to make a good metallic belt bag because metallic is my thing. I love metallic colors, and just the classic basic colors were not really doing anything for me, like the black, the red, which I do need a black handbag, like a straight up black handbag, but I just find more colorful bags to buy, so I don't get it. But anyways, back to what they have right now. What they had right now, I think the most elaborate one that I saw was the black velvet with like sequin, or not sequin, but crystal stars on it, which that was fun. I was gonna get that one, but then I saw their whole new holiday campaign. I was like, I know the bag that I need this Christmas, and it's here. So I did get it shipped because I think the only Gucci store that has them is, or had them at the time that I ordered it. This did arrive like a couple of days ago, so I am kind of late on my video. But the only stores that had them was, I think, Beverly Hills and of course New York. So of course, like the two main cities get one. But Houston didn't get any. I don't think they still have any because I left my number at the two Gucci stores in Houston, which is one in Saks. Well, actually, there's three, I think. But anyways, I left my number at Saks, and I left my number at the main Gucci store. Nobody has contacted me, so they either got them in and sold them, or they haven't gotten them in. But anyway, so the holiday packaging I think is really cute. I have opened the box just to make sure they did send me like the right bag. But I just repackaged it. So, well, the envelope fell. But this is how it comes in. My boyfriend is like, does it really say Gucci like inside the box? I'm like, oh yeah, it does. But yeah, so this is the holiday packaging that is this year. I don't know if the light is kind of blinding it out, but it's a really pretty like pink color. But if you can see, there's like different, I don't know how to explain it, but there's like a texture. I mean, there is no texture. It's all just one simple texture, but it has like lines to kind of make it look like multi-dimensional, the pink color. And then we got the Gucci embossed in gold, and the ribbon here, pink, also with gold Gucci. Really fun. So the symbols on here, one is a bird, but like a big bird. Not like a big bird, but like, you know, a bird that is big. And then one is of like balloons, but like they're stylized. They're like, it's like different, I don't know. And this is holiday 2018 right there. How fun. And let's see here, it included a nice little pink envelope. How fun is that? I love when companies make such fun packaging. And it doesn't say anything, there's just a little paper inside that says Gucci again. Because, I mean, let's not forget that this is a Gucci bag. I can't have that. Okay, and then they sent me a little perfume sample of Gucci Bloom Acqua di Fiore. And then Gucci Bloom, I'm guessing it's the classic one, which I've never actually smelled that, so I'm going to smell that in a bit. And then it came with a holiday bag. How fun. Yes. So if I was to have gotten this in the store, if Gucci would release their products to all Gucci stores, not just the two main ones, this is how it would have looked. Alright, let's just make a little pretty bow here, because I imagine that's how the sales associate would do it. Nice little bow and the bag. So this is how it would look. How cute, right? So pink. I love that they picked pink, like pink and gold. And you know, I have been seeing all over Instagram and Pinterest like pink Christmas trees, and I'm like, what the fuck? Why haven't I not gotten my pink Christmas tree? But I went looking for them online, and there's either like really, really cheap ones from like weird websites or like really, really expensive ones. So I don't know. Alrighty, so let's open the box. And this is how it comes in. Oh, even the dust bag is pink with gold. And it has the paper right here. That's fun. Okay, so it has this. And then it comes in another kind of like just white felt dust bag. And then, ooh, so excited. We got more packaging to open, so I kind of love this because it's like, you know, it's new. Like, you know, it's new whenever like none of the packaging have been like ripped off. Because you know, whenever you get something, I don't know, this mostly happens in sale stuff that I get, but I get something on sale and I assume it's been shown to the customers a couple of times. It probably has been like bought in and then returned. So then when you get it, you just get like basically the product semi-wrapped, semi-packaged in a box, and then there you go. But yes, this is it. How fun. Ooh, it has like that wave thing that Gucci has like made so popular with their bags. And yes, it has a heart in the bag. It's pink, it's gold. Oh, I didn't even make that correlation. Hello. But it's different tones of pinks and golds. But yeah, so this is it. So I do think in the holiday collection they released kind of two metallic color combos. So it was this one, pink and gold, and then the other one I believe is like a more fuchsia pink. Let me see if I can find it, because the handbags are really fun too. But yeah, it's like, yeah, it's like a more stronger pink, and here we are. Okay, so it's a stronger pink, a light pink. Oh, let me see if I can zoom into this. Okay, so this is the other bag that I really like. And as you can see, it's like a really strong fuchsia pink, red, light pink, and then the antique gold hardware. This bag is really fun. So I was hoping that they would make this color combo in this style, but they didn't. But I'm like, you know what? I don't even care because this one's so pretty. It's like a really light pastel metallic pink with a nice, not too yellow tone of a gold, but it's still pretty. I love it. Okay, so it comes with this, the heart in the back where you're gonna put the belt through. So the belt, they had different sizes on the belt. I got an 85. Hopefully it works. I have not tried it on to see if it goes on my waist, but let's hope. I have like a 29-30 inch waist, which I think in online they recommended, or like on the size chart, I felt exactly on that 80 belt. But I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna jinx it. It's holiday season. I'm gonna eat. Let's go up a size, and hopefully they have enough holes to where I can, you know, belt it in. But anyways, inside the bag, there's all of these typical little papers, you know, care cards, responsibility, responsibility, responsibility. They really put 3 of the same things in there. Maybe they're different. I don't know. I don't feel like looking through that. But yeah. So inside is a blue satin interior. The Gucci is made in Italy, and it comes in the same, that's a really pretty color combo, isn't it? Like that blue sequin. And then it has like the Gucci, I guess their authenticity thing. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, that is a really pretty color combo. The gold and like the bright blue satin. That's really pretty. Okay, so here is the belt that it comes with. Let's see. I'm trying to hurry because I have to go to work, like, right after this. I woke up early, so I'm like, yes, so let's get something productive done because work is busy and I'm there like all day and I have no time to do nothing but just work. Okay, so the belt is gold, the same gold metallic color. Alright, it's like a real belt though, because it's got like this edge on the side. I have a Chanel vintagey belt bag, and I think they put the metallic leather on both sides. It's like a real leather, like belt. Okay, so let's see. Oh yeah, I'm gonna stand, halfway stand. Let's see how this fits. Oh, I hope it fits. Oh, I think it will. Yay. Alright. Cool. Alright, so this is how it looks. Yay, how fun. I love it. I love a good belt bag. Bum bag, fanny pack, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, this is how it looks. And you have your hands free. I really love these kind of bags for travel. Recently, a couple of months ago, not too long ago, I went to Spain. And like I said, I took that Chanel vintage one. And it was the best thing ever. Like, I wish I would have packed all belt bags because it was fun. Like, it was good. The only bad thing is they do tend to be a little bit small. Some I've seen, like, are really big. I don't like those, the big ones, because then I feel like, oh, I can't breathe anymore. I'm talking too much. But I feel like it's too overpowering. Like, it makes the waist look bigger than what it is. But, yeah. So, this is it. Let's do it like how the trendy people do it. You know, like, put it, like... Which, with the Chanel one, I can't do that because the strap is not, like, I don't know. I feel like I have a really wide chest, so, like, this kind of style doesn't really look good on me. See, like, it's really high. Like, on the Hadids, on Kendall, on all of them, like, they wear it, like, basically, like, right here. And this one's too high. Look, it's, like, almost, like, cutting into my armpit. It's really sad. But, oh, well. Around the waist is good enough. But, yeah. This is this is the new, oh my goodness, what is going on? Okay, so this is the new member of the baggy family, the metallic one. I highly recommend it if you're a metallic lover just like I am, or if you just want something different from just like the black and red, and I don't even know what other colors it comes in, but I'm gonna put this on the side. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna try to post up some more videos because it's fun talking to you guys. And it's fun, like, when you guys comment, like, it's like, oh, somebody's actually watching my videos. How fun. But, okay, so I'm going to go off to work before I'm late. I thank you for watching this video. I hope this has inspired you to add metallic into your collection if you haven't already. And I hope you guys have very Merry holidays and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Most likely, hopefully, I will upload another video before the new year, before the holidays have ended. But if not, I wish you all happy holidays, a Merry Christmas, New Year's, and just have a fabulous rest of the year. Bye, guys.